Welcome back to the show, everyone. I want to start today with a question, and I want you to be brutally honest with yourself. When was the last time you sat down to watch a movie or read a book or even just cooked a meal without checking your phone?
Alex, I think for most people, the answer is I can't remember.
It's scary, right? I caught myself yesterday. I was watching a high-stakes thriller, the kind of movie you have to pay attention to, and during a 3-second transition scene, my hand just drifted. I picked up my phone, opened an app, and started scrolling. I wasn't even looking for anything.
That's because your focus didn't just leave, it was stolen. Today, we are talking about the focus thief. We're diving into why your attention span feels like it's shrinking, the switching cost that's draining your brain power, and how to actually take the steering wheel back.
If you feel like you're living in a constant state of brain fog, or like you're busy all day but accomplishing nothing, this one is for you. So Sam, I used to wear multitasking like a badge of honor. I'd have 20 tabs open, a podcast playing, and be answering emails. I thought I was a genius.
And how did that actually feel at the end of the day?
Honestly, like my brain had been through a paper shredder. I was exhausted, but I hadn't finished a single big task.
That's because multitasking is a biological lie. The human brain cannot focus on two cognitive tasks at once. What you're actually doing is task switching.
Right, and there's a tax on that, isn't there?
A huge one. It's called attention residue. When you switch from writing a report to checking a notification, a part of your brain stays stuck on that notification. When you switch back to the report, you aren't 100% there. Research shows it can take up to 23 minutes to get back into deep work after one single interruption.
Think about that, YouTube. 23 minutes. If you check your phone every 10 minutes, you are never actually at full brain capacity. You're operating on 50% power all day long and wondering why you're tired. I think people blame themselves too much. They think, I just have no willpower. But Sam, isn't it true that we're fighting a losing battle against some of the smartest engineers in the world?
Absolutely. Your brain is a Ferrari, but it's being driven on a road full of potholes and neon signs designed to make you crash. Think about infinite scroll. It was modeled after how casinos work. There's no natural stopping point.
And the pull to refresh feature, it's literally the same motion as a slot machine lever.
Exactly. We are being conditioned for variable rewards. You don't know if the next scroll will be a boring ad or a hilarious video, so you keep going. This fries our dopamine receptors. Eventually, real life, which doesn't move at 2x speed and doesn't have jump cuts, starts to feel boring.
That's the thief. It steals our ability to enjoy the slow things. If you can't enjoy a walk in the woods because there's no reward every 6 seconds, the thief has won. Okay, we've identified the thief. He's in the house. How do we kick him out?
It starts with building a fortress of focus. You have to make distraction harder than focus.
I started doing analog mornings, no screens for the first hour. I actually bought a physical alarm clock so my phone stays in the kitchen overnight.
That's huge. Another tip is monotasking. Pick one thing, just one, and commit to it for 25 minutes. No tabs, no music with lyrics, no phone. We call this the Pomodoro technique, but the key is the mental commitment to that one path.
And for the YouTube audience, try grayscale mode. It turns your phone into a black and white screen. It's amazing how much less addictive Instagram is when everything looks like a newspaper from 1950.
It really works. The thief hates a boring screen, but ultimately you have to protect your deep work time like it's your most valuable asset, because in the modern economy, it is. If you can master your attention, you can master your life. It's the one thing nobody can give you back once it's gone.
Sam, man, thank you. Every time we talk about this, I feel like I'm getting a bit more of my brain back. Your insights on attention residue really changed the way I look at my workspace.
I'm glad, Alex. It's a battle I'm fighting right alongside you.
And to all of you hanging out with us, thank you. Whether you're listening while you're at the gym or watching this on your lunch break, we appreciate you giving us your most valuable resource, your attention. If you found value in this, do me a favor. Don't just hit the like button and scroll to the next video. Close the tab, put the phone down. Do one thing for 10 minutes with your full, undivided heart. Prove to yourself that you still own your mind. We have a lot more coming your way. We're going to keep peeling back the layers on how to live a better, more intentional life in this crazy digital age. You won't want to miss what we've got lined up next. So subscribe, stay focused, and remember, the world wants your attention, but only you decide who gets it. See you in the next one.